Most aftermarket tech, head unit tech, was not built for your truck. And it might not have the correct actual software, they might not have the correct parts. You've got to work out all the parts you have to do to install it. And the kit's kind of like a generalized kit, and you got to actually try and work it out. And then you've got the support problem. So a lot of them just run on actual forums where you can type a question. It's very hard to actually call someone up and get some real life help. So the Vhedia was built different. We want to supply the specific kit for the actual vehicle, tested, installed, working by us with all the parts you actually need to do the install. And if you get stuck halfway, you can call us up, you can type, you can email, you can message us, and we'll be there to actually help you out. So these are OEM style actual upgrade kits or solutions, and these are built for things like Fords, your Tacomas, your Jeeps, your Jeep Wranglers, etc. So it's actually built for the car. So the solution is like a Ford F-150 2018 upgrade kit. So this solution upgrades your whole car and brings it into the modern day. So it's built for your exact year, your exact model, and you're going to get exactly what you want. Now we're all about the system being the center. So we've got dash cameras, tire pressures, extra cameras, all that come into that one extra head unit and seamlessly fit together. Your OBD2 tool to get your actual data out of your engine and trans ECU. Then we have our kits, which have the plug and play kits, which are going to match up and suit the factory plugs, and the fascia, which means the whole thing's going to push in and look just like it should have done if it left the factory today. And the best thing about all plug and play, there isn't any extra cutting wires. There's no extra guessing. So if you do need to put it actually back like factory, you can, and it's not a big deal, and you could never even tell a head unit was in there. So you're never going to have any dramas with warranties or anything like that. Every system's going to ship out within 24 hours, and you should get it within 2 to 8 days. And it's going to be backed by our awesome support. You can get in touch with us by the phone, text, or email. We've got a 3-year actual warranty, and we do constant upgrades, which you'll find not a lot of places actually do. So we have got your back, and everything you need in that kit. We've got great documentation and great support. The thousands of installs, clean fits every time. If you do have a problem, we have your back. It's just what your truck needs. You'll find your vehicle at Vhedia.com, and you can check out how we can help. And if you have any questions, just reach out. We're always here.